looking for ways to make money on demand with a simple click of a button and not worry about the hard work? Then Mailer Lists is the product which helps you generate money on demand with a simple few emails, which you will be able to send to almost 31,574 members or people in any niche. So welcome to my review video. I am Zainab. Let me help you understand this product and how you can make money with this easy to use software. So first, let's have a look at the sales page of Mailer Lists. Okay, this is the sales page. As you can see here, there's something I really like about this sales page is that it is very easy to understand. It is not populated with too much information to confuse your mind. It's simple and easy to understand, as you can see here. So we'll have a look into all these things in a moment. First, let me tell you about the key features of this software. So basically, there are 43 websites in Make Money Online niche, which are owned by the vendors of this product, who is Daud Islam. So he is giving you the opportunity to send a single email of your product, or even if it is not your product, if you have an affiliate link of someone else's product, you can send this URL and that email to 31,574 members of the 43 websites in Make Money Online niche. But these people who are working in Make Money Online niche also tend to buy the products of other niches as well. So this is the opportunity where you can make money in other niches as well, if you don't want to make money in Make Money Online niche. Okay, then you can send any offer in any niche. They are also gonna write emails for you. You don't have to write. You must have seen emails. Your email account where you receive so many emails on daily basis, where people are promoting their products and encouraging you to buy their products. So that is the thing you will be doing. Okay. Then there is absolutely no bot traffic clicks. Okay, evergreen, you buy again, you send again. It's the ultimate super solo ad package in which you were getting all these things. And also they are giving you free squeeze pages, which will help you collect your buyers list also in the niche you are working. Okay. Then we have, so that's Daud Islam, the vendor of this product. He has explained here how this will help you to make money online. Okay, Untitled, the other vendor. Okay, so who can profit from Mailer Lists? So basically it is for busy moms, younger people, older people, college students, working from home people, professionals, couples, bloggers, online marketers. So basically everyone who has no prior knowledge or no technical skills can work, can make money on demand, can make money from sending emails in affiliate marketing. So Mailer Lists. Okay, you will get all this. It's perfect for beginners, easy to use. You don't have to write your own emails. You don't need your own email list. You just have to purchase solo ads whenever you like, and you just send email to the members of 43 websites, and when they buy your product, when they buy through that email, you get money. Okay, so these are the 43 websites where you can send email, or where basically you can send email to the members of these websites, which are around about 32,000 people. You can see here all these websites. will allow you to make money. Okay, there are few bonuses which you will be getting once you buy the product, and the bonus one is a bonus page builder. It will allow you to make free bonus pages for you to give away to your market money products as bonuses to make affiliate sales commission. Obviously, you'll have to give people some bonuses to buy via your link. Then the lockdown formula, it's a product. You will be given this product if you buy this if you buy mailer list, you will given this lockdown formula. Then you have this best ever bots training. Learn how to make money and get amazing conversions using chat bots. Then FB Livewire, expand and improve your social media marketing. Then review site secrets, master the art of making money from review sites, how you can make money using review sites. Okay, here is this thing in which they're guaranteeing you that if you don't like the product, you can get a 30-day money back guarantee. So basically this product comes with a money back guarantee. You try it, if you don't like it, then you can have your money back. So the cost of this product is only for $10, which is, I think, affordable. Okay, now let's have a look into the software which is called Mailer List. So as you can see, this is the login page. Let me log into my account. Let's see what pops up. Yes, the dashboard. Okay, here you can see the dashboard of this software, and you will find a welcome by Dawood Islam and Terry Tail. They will be telling you each and everything about this product in this welcome video. And then there is this overview. You will learn how this mailer list works. Okay, then they have this main training section in which you will be getting the introduction to the training, then submit your solo ads. Okay, send your solo ad to contact delete, take care. Yeah, include the subject line, the text for email, URL. Okay, then you will be able to join the sites, all those 43 sites, so that you can send email. You can also become the member of those sites. Okay, how using the resources, how you will be able to use the resources to generate money online. Okay, how to promote. They will teach you all the strategies they have up their sleeves to help you make money on demand. Okay, then resources. What are the resources? They have mentioned using the resources. So resources, you will be getting a free squeeze pages, how you can utilize those squeeze pages to collect your leads. Then conclusion video. Okay, then you have few bonuses here, which I have just told you on the sales page as well. The bonus page builder, the lockdown formula, best ever bots training, FB Livewire, review site secret. Then you have upgrades. Okay, so the product is launching on 24th of August 2021 at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so the front end of this product will cost you $9.95, and it has 5 OTOs other than the front end, where the first OTO is the upsell one is Pro Bundle, which will cost you for $47, and the downsell is for $27. Okay, then you have this traffic, total traffic fix. It is for $197, and the downsell is for $97. Then reseller rights, that is for $37, and the downsell is for $17. Then done for you weekly campaigns. Well, in reseller rights, you will be able to resell this product as your own. And then done for you weekly campaigns, you will be getting this for $97, and the downsell would be for $47. become a beta tester for the Elite Academy. You will be getting this audio for 997 upsell, and the yes, downsell is you can 3x payments downsell. Okay, 497. Okay, this will include the beta membership of Dawood Islam's brand new high ticket program, which is called the Elite program. So there are also some unadvertised bonuses as well. Simple affiliate machines, 4 steps to a profitable email list bonuses. Okay, grab link bonus. Okay, these are the bonuses which you will be getting in this product, which are not which are not advertised on the sales page of this product. So that's it for this review video. I hope it will help you understand this product more, and if you have any confusions or any questions, you can ask me down in the comment section below. And if you feel like buying this product, you can also grab it. I will leave the link below in the description. So thank you so much for watching my review video. I will come back again with another review video with another product for you, which will help you make money online if you want to work from home. So thank you so much for